Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your background on Windows 10. So to change your background, all you need to do is come to the desktop, and then you just need to right click on the background, and then you need to come down to where it says personalize. Now once you've clicked personalize, you can now start changing the background. So if you want the background to be a solid color, all you have to do is click the drop down box here, and then select solid color, and then you can either choose from these preset colors here, or you can click the custom color here and then select one for yourself. Now if you don't want your background to be a solid color and instead you want it to be a picture, then you first need to get the picture onto your computer. So I'm just going to get a picture from the internet, so I'm going to open Chrome up and I'm just going to search for the Rhine Lake. It's a lake in Norway, so I'm going to go to images on Google, and then I'm going to find the image that I want. So I'm going to use this image here. So to download the image, all we're going to do is right click on it, and then we're going to come to where it says save image as. Now once we've clicked save image as, we're then going to select where we want the image to be saved. So I'm just going to save the image to my downloads, and then I'm just going to name it the Rhine Lake, like so. Now it's important that you remember where you've saved the image, because we will have to navigate to it when we change our background. So I'm going to save this image to the downloads, and then I'm going to come back to the desktop, and just like we did before, I'm going to right click and then click personalize. And now to change the picture, all we're going to do is we're going to click the browse button here, and then we're going to browse to where we saved the image. So I saved mine in downloads, so I've come to my downloads, and as you can see the image is here. So we're going to click on the image, and then we're going to click choose this picture. So now I've done that, the background image has now changed. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.